I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggled.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ednaris and thank you so much for joining me here today. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how I was able to get rid of my dark knuckles. Yes, it's my dark knuckles that I am talking about, and I believe this process will also help you get rid of your dark knuckles. So do not go anywhere, stay here with me and let's do this video together. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Welcome back. Having dark knuckles can be a very worrisome feeling to deal with. It's not easy at all. Dark knuckles formulation could be natural or may have induced by chemical products. But the good thing is you can use the same cream to get rid of your dark knuckles. Yes, the same cream you've been using, you can also use that to get rid of the dark knuckles you have now. You just have to know how to apply it for you to get the best out of the cream that you are using. So this is how I went about mine to get rid of my dark knuckles. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply your own cream or the cream that I am about to talk about or I'm about to show you. This cream helped me so much get rid of my dark knuckles, and I believe I can share for you to know what I am talking about. This cream is natural. It's made with natural ingredients. They use omega-3 and many natural ingredients that brighten the skin. That is the ingredient they use to make this cream. So the cream I'm about to talk about or I'm about to show you is not something that is going to harm your body, no, but instead it will help you get rid of your dark knuckles. I am not here to sell anybody's product, but I am here to talk about what I have gained from this cream. Step 1, this is how I apply my cream. So anytime I apply the cream on my hands and my feet, I make sure to massage my hand very well with the cream. And also you make sure after massaging your hands with the cream, you leave some of the cream on the affected areas. So this is the cream I'm talking about. It's called Clart'e. But like I said, you can also use your own cream and apply it this way. You will also get the results. So this is how I went about. And another thing that I did is I used lime. I'm not talking about lemon. I use lime. Yes, in Ghana, we call it ekutu. So if you go anywhere in Ghana and you say ekutu, they'll give you lime. You also go and you say you're buying lime, they'll also give it to you. Let me tell you the benefits of lime. Lime has several properties that promote healthy skin. First, they are high in vitamin C. Lime are one of the best natural ways to promote youthful skin. Vitamin C found in limes nourishes skin cells inside and out and can even help fight signs of skin aging. So now we're going to use lime on our hands and our feet. All you need is your lime. You just cut them into two and then use the juice on your hands and your feet. It will nourish the skin. After that, you leave it on for some time, let's say 5 minutes before you take your bath.
But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan.
When you continue to do that for some days, you will see the dark on your hands or your feet peeling, and that will be a sign that your skin is healing from the damage.
Take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down.
Alright guys, so this is one of the ways you can also get rid of your dark knuckles. I tell you, this is what I did for me to also get rid of my dark knuckles, and I believe that if you continue with this process, you will also get rid of your dark knuckles. Don't forget to apply your cream on the affected area, massage it very well, and leave some of the cream on it. And also do not forget to apply lime on the affected area before you take your bath. This is very necessary because it will help the skin to heal itself. We've come to the end of today's video. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. See you in my next video.
What it seems, man, it's hard to